Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine. My name is Amarpreet Kaur. I am your computer teacher. We were doing the chapter that whose name is the computer and overview. We have already covered the few topics. Today we will start from topic limitations of a computer. Okay, first write the date and day on the top of this topic. Now, what are the limitations? Limitations are the drawbacks of a computer. Computer is a versatile machine and performs multiple functions, but it has the following limitations. Now, computer can perform many tasks, many things, but it has a few limitations. First is lack of decision making ability. A computer cannot decide itself. A computer does not have a brain, because computer does not have a brain like human being, because we have a brain, but computer does not have a brain. It cannot decide a decision on its own. It cannot take decision by own. Okay, it can only perform the tasks that are instructed by the human being. Only when the human being give an instruction to the computer, then computer will do his work. Okay, next is lack of intelligence. Underline this word, intelligence. Intelligence means how much you are intelligent. Okay, computer is not gifted with intelligence as a human being. We human beings are intelligent, but computers are, we can't say they are gifted with intelligence. It can only work as per the instructions given by the human being. Because human being provide the instructions, then computer can only work. Without our instruction, computer can't do anything. Next, lack of feelings and emotions. Computer have a no feelings and emotions. Computers are different from human beings. That's why we can say that computers are different from human beings, because human beings have a feelings and emotions, but computers have not. It does not possess feelings and emotions like human beings. It can do anything by its own. Computer can do anything by own, but it has a no feeling. Next, time taken in planning and programming. We have to first choose the job to be computerized, then proper planning and development of program can take days, months, and sometimes even years. Now, computer needs a time for planning and programming. First, while doing the planning and development of the programs, this process can take the days, months, and even years can it take. Next is working of a computer. Working means how the computer will complete his work. A commonly used computer needs the following hardware to work. The following hardwares which are mentioned below are used by the computer. First is input devices, output, storage, and CPU. CPU is also called processing device, or it is the brain of the computer. Okay, input are like a keyboard, mouse. Output, we have a I have already told you, like a monitor. Storage devices like a pen drive, disk, hard drive. Along with hardware, computer requires software. Please students, underline word software. Computer needs a software as well as a hardware. A set of, underline this line, a set of instructions written in any computer language is known as a program. Now, what is a program? Program is just a set of instructions and data which is written in a computer language. Now, what is the computer language? Computer languages are like C, C++, and computer can only understand a binary language, and programs are stored in computer memory, and all the programs are stored in the memory of the computer. Next is IPO cycle. I means input, P means process, and O means output. Okay, I means input and P process, O output. This is the IPO cycle. It includes three phases. A computer takes the data as input, processes, and then gives result as an output. Now, computer first will uh, take the data from keyboard and then process that data, and then we receive the output at the monitor. Now, look at the pictures, or you can say this is an example. In the under the input phase, we have a data 3 3, 6, and plus. We have typed this data using keyboard and mouse. Okay. Then after typing, this data will go for a processing. How it will process? The 3 will be added to 6. Okay. And this thing will be done by the CPU. Okay. And at the end, under the output phase, we get the 9 as the answer, and this is our information. And here the 9 will be displayed on the monitor, and these are the output devices. You can see monitor, printer, and this is the whole process of the IPO cycle. Now today we will cover up to this. So bye bye students, stay home, stay safe, and stay healthy.